one Tampa citizen.
Florida. You're gonna ride these ultra fast and thrilling high-speed Otises. There's Jay.
Yep. Here's this one.
It used to be Lexan, but we're modded with Series 1. We got a choice, actually. But we'll take this one now.
I'm gonna push the button.
Jump out.
Okay, we're
See you guys
good.
later then.
Oh, and we can go all the way up to 38. Nice. Here we go.
Oh,
Whoa. These things are rocket. Looks like this is a private club. We gotta look at the cab. Very nice.
there's a Julian.
And there's the Menard. Wow. Power stop.
2.
Alright, this time we'll go to 37.
Yeah, this
You
one's
heading up?
I'll wait for the next one.
Okay. Yeah, because 38's a private club.
okay.
Wee. There's TV there. Very fast. Hold on, I'm going to replace with Series 1. These used to be Lexan, like I said. The service elevator still is its original control button. Back down to 2. What'd you think of these?
Oh, these are fun.
They're your custom Series 1 fixtures.
Yes, they're pretty cool. And here we are 2.
Yes, sir, we are. Alright, we'll get off here.
Thank you.
It's got the classic Otis logo.
Definitely original.
And there it goes. And if you look here, you will see the original pull button. Oh, that will be it.
Yep.